I'm 26 years old, and quite frankly, I've just started investing now, so I got a little bit of a late start. But I dropped my glasses. But I'm still young, and I'm just going to be going over what platform I use to invest, or what multiple platforms I'm using, how much I'm investing on a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly basis, and obviously what investments I've picked out. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so from my first investment that I'm investing in, it is called SPHD. That's the ticker symbol, and basically it tracks the 50 least volatile, highest yielding S&P 500 stocks, and the expense ratio is 0.30%, so that's pretty low. That hovers right around all of Vanguard's expense ratios. So I've seen a little lower, but that's really low, and which is important. And basically, at the top right, you could see the top sectors. It's highly diversified between all these different sectors. And then the top holdings are all well-known companies. You got Philip Morris, cigarette, tobacco. You got Iron Mountain. I think that's a paper company. And AT&T, you know what that is. One Oak, I think that's a real estate company. Yeah, but and this pays monthly dividends. So every month, on top of the stock, going up or going down, hopefully going up, you also get monthly dividends paid out to you. So that's just that just gets reinvested within my M1 Finance account. So that's a good pick. Let's move on. All right, for my next dividend-paying company, it's from Wisdom Tree, and the ticker symbol is DGRW. Now, this company's also pays dividends, but it's a little different. It has a lower dividend payout per share, but what this company focuses on is dividend growth, where for years and years these stocks, these companies, increase their dividend percentages year by year. So that's why I've chosen this stock. As you can see, the expense ratio is actually a little lower than the other one. It's 0.28, so that's good. That's within the range that I like to see. And then we got on the top, you can see it's highly diversified as well. And then the top 10 holdings, these are all really recognizable, well-established companies: Verizon Wireless, Apple, Microsoft, Procter & Gamble, Intel Corporation, PepsiCo, Alteria, United Health. I'm not sure about United Health and Bristol Myers. It's probably, I don't know, Merck and Company. Maybe United Health is like insurance or something, insurance company. But all of these companies are well established, so that's good, and it gives me a peace of mind. And this one also, I'm pretty sure this one pays monthly as well, or quarterly, but it's a dividend-paying stock as well, and those will also get reinvested within my M1 Finance account. So let's move on to the next stock. All right, for this next stock, it is VXUS ticker symbol. This is an international stock. When I picked this, I wanted to, just in case we go through a recession or whatnot, not that we won't get out of it, but it helps to also have money outside of the U.S. stock market, in the U.S. companies. So that's why I chose this one. The expense ratio is crazy low. As you can see, the sectors, it's split up nice and evenly within the sectors, and it has a lot of good established countries that it's in, and I recognize a lot of these companies. I was recommended this stock, so I didn't really look at it. I just knew it was a good one. But Alibaba is a great company. Tencent Holding, I'm familiar with them. I think they're video game developers. And Toyota Motors, obviously. Samsung, you know that. Nestle. So yeah, it's looking good for this one. That's good. And this one is my Vanguard, ticker symbol's VTI. Now this one tracks basically all of the United States stocks. It's like 3,000 companies or something crazy. So that's why I chose this. It's crazy diversified, and all the top 10 holdings, as you can see, just look at it. You got Google, JP Morgan, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Visa, Berkshire Hathaway. You can't go wrong with this. Low expense ratio, as you see, 0.03. And if you look at that chart, it just goes up through recessions, wars, and all. So yeah, let's move on to my final investment strategy, and what I chose. All right, so for this last one, it's cryptocurrency, and instead of choosing Bitcoin, I chose Ethereum, because after reading about it and learning a little bit, I still don't know a lot, but it just seems like it has better potential. Don't quote me on that. I'm just speculating and guessing at this point. Basically, out of all my investing money, I invest about automatically invest throughout all my accounts. I have automatic transfers going. I invest $1,500 to $2,000 a month, and I only put 10%, around like $180 every month into Ethereum, and basically just in hopes that it goes up. I wanted to have like a small amount, 10%, invested in cryptocurrency. So we'll see how that plays out. Now I'll be documenting my investing journey. Maybe like every month I'll update a video, and go actually into each of my accounts and see how they progress every single month. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, thanks for watching, guys.